Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and today's recipe is rich velvety keto Japanese cheesecake, and it's a flourless cake. To make this cheesecake, we'll first start off with separating eggs. Here I have taken 5 eggs and I'm separating yolks from white. Once I'm done separating eggs, next I'm moving on to a boiler. Here I have created a double boiler on which I'm going to melt down my cheese. To this I am adding 250 gram of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter and 60 ml of cream. Let the cream cheese sit on a boiler and allow it to melt down, and whisk in between. Once the mixture becomes coarse in texture, you can add your sweetener. Here I am adding half a cup of sweetener. You can add extra sweetener if you like really sweet cheesecake. I am sticking to half a cup of sweetener, which is decent enough for my taste. Once the sugar has mixed properly with the cheese mixture, it's the time to add your egg yolks. Now please do not dump all of your egg yolks at one go. Please add one yolk at a time. This is a very crucial step, and please ensure that you are whisking it thoroughly after adding each yolk. If you don't do this, there are high chances that yolks may scramble up, and that's the last thing you want for your cheesecake. And that's the last yolk. And once the egg yolk and cream cheese mixture is well combined, turn off the gas and set this mixture aside. Moving on to egg white. Now we will start beating our egg white using the hand blender. Continue beating this up until it forms a stiff peak. If you don't know what stiff peak looks like, you will see it in a while. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. This is how it should be, nice and firm. Now it's the time to mix egg white and cream cheese mixture. I'm going to fold egg white to cream cheese mixture in 3 batches. Now fold in your egg white with cream cheese mixture gently so that egg white remains aerated. I'm trying to mix this as gently as possible. You can use spatula also. I could not find my spatula, so I'm going ahead with my balloon whisk. But spatula is a better option than balloon whisk for sure. And that's the last batch. Now I'm going to pour this cream cheese mixture to a baking tin. I have already lined my baking tin with parchment paper and I have greased it with heaps of butter. And I've covered my baking tin with couple of aluminum sheet. It prevents water from seeping into the tin while baking. Now bake this at 160 degree for 1 hour in water bath. To create a water bath, I am adding about an inch of water in baking pan. Water bath helps cheesecake from cracking on the top. Once the cheesecake is cooked, it's highly recommended to refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours before servings. It helps cheesecake to set properly. Now I have already unmolded my keto Japanese cheesecake, and now I'm going to cut a piece so that you can see the texture of this keto Japanese cheesecake. And there it is. See how lovely and velvety it looks. And trust me, this tastes divine. I hope you like my recipe. Please do subscribe my channel for such more recipes. Thank you.